Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming which account controls the audio manager and why that matters. Recovery options are tied to that email or phone. Once done, make sure your device has power and network access so the reset flow can complete without interruption. Next, open the app and check its version and any local backups to preserve settings. Then, choose the password reset option inside the app. Start the recovery flow immediately rather than trying random passwords, because rate limits can lock you out. You proceed through the reset screens. Select whether to receive a verification code by email or SMS and request the code. When you get the code, enter it quickly. Codes often expire. If email/SMS aren't available, use backup codes, a linked social login, or in-app recovery questions. For app-level locks, make sure to export settings or clear cache. Clearing data can remove configurations, so back up first. This step replaces the old credential and prepares you to set a new secure password. You now create a new password, choose something unique, and enable two-factor authentication or alternate recovery options immediately so you don't lose access again. After setting the password, sign back into any synced devices and confirm saved audio profiles and permissions. Finally, test playback and settings to ensure full functionality. If something goes wrong, first verify email spam folders and device clock/time zone. If codes still fail, contact the app's support with account proofs so they can lift rate limits and.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.